Hello and welcome to another quick update about VeChain. So in VeChain, I also told you in the last videos that until we see some more bullish price action, something more significant, and a breakout out of this channel, which I'm going to highlight now here for you, a breakout out of this range, yeah, if we see a breakout to the upside above the wave A here at 2.7 cents, then we can look at a potentially more bullish scenario. Until then, my focus remains clearly on the downside, and I would primarily very clearly expect actually here another lower low for VeChain. So the thing is, VeChain has technically completed all the requirements it needs to complete to finish off the correction on the higher level time frame, on the lower level time frame as well. Yeah, we've made here a lower low compared to that wave 3. Technically, we could say this completed this overall correction, but the price action just doesn't justify it. Therefore, I counted this as a 1, 2, 3, this as a 4 and a 5. This is looking like it is going to become a triangle. Already made you aware in the last couple of videos about that, and so far it is adhering to this. The waves haven't moved, yeah, and we have moved up in the wave C. I think last video we were somewhere here, and I told you we are most likely to reverse in a wave D to the downside. This happened over the last few days. We are now looking to complete this wave D at some point, possibly here around the 2.2 cent level. That would make sense because it is a support level. It will support here, yeah. So the 2.2 cent level has been providing some support before, after which I would expect a wave E to the upside, and then an impulse down, which would take us to obviously make a lower low below the wave 3 here, below 2 cents. Best indication, so let's say we do something like this. Let's say we do the D, yeah, we go up in an E, and then we come down. When do we know the triangle is broken? So first indication for that is a break below the wave D. That would be, depending on how low the wave D goes, possibly here the 2.2 cent level. If we break that, first indication makes it more likely. Then the break below the wave B is actually confirmation that the triangle is broken. Yeah, and then obviously the primary expectation is anyway, or is getting increasingly likely, that we also take out here the wave 3 low. Oops, not like that. The wave 3 low at here 2 cents. So that's how it would unfold in this bearish scenario, and then we would move down in 5 waves. So when we have the wave E to the upside, it would unfold in 5 waves to the downside. Should we go, so this is primary expectation, yeah. Yeah, so should we move higher? Should we, against expectations, move to the upside? We need to allow for both options at the moment. Then a move above the wave A would indicate bullish momentum, in my opinion. Then we could look at something more bullish and could look at this from a 1-2 setup point of view, that we actually, because we haven't made a lower low since the 18th of June, that we indeed are in a bullish scenario. But this does not really make sense to follow it more thoroughly until we move a bit higher here and exactly take out the wave A high. That would be then the 2.7 cent level. We will also in the same instance move above the 50-day moving average, and then next resistance levels would be 2.8 cents, 3.3 cents, yeah, and then we would get into the area here, into this area between the 88.7 and the 78.6% fib level, which is highly relevant. At the moment we are below that 88.7% fib level, below the 3.3 cent level, the last fib level on the fib scale, basically, that is of any relevance, and we need to get above that level to kick off some more bullish momentum and get a bit more confident that the overall downtrend is over. For now, remaining focused on the downside. Okay, that's my view about VeChain. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.